Yeah.
Give me one piece of advice that you find yourself repeatedly giving to clients about savings and building wealth. Something that you talk about over and over again.
Over and over. I think I'm going to sound like a broken record here, but if I can tell clients and people in the general public one thing is that they have to take the time to really get organized,
Yeah.
to really see what, to really study what their personal balance sheet really looks like,
Yeah.
and understand every single component within the balance sheet. And there's
Hmm.
four components. There's your protection,
Yeah.
your assets, your liabilities, and your cash flow. Once you do that, if you understand that, then you can create priorities around how you make money decisions. And then lastly is you have to create the ability to be able to save, to build liquidity, because that liquidity is what's going to allow you the opportunity to be okay in the short term,
Hmm.
and then invest in any potential opportunities that might come along that is going to propel and give your family better opportunities, right? Whether it's real estate or investing in the business or just investing in the stock market or whatever.